sun. Brainstorm, I provide the floods. I can turn the whole metropolis to a peninsula. Ink pen emperor slang, remain infinite. I came to rearrange the game from all angles. Pay dues, made my move to Los Angeles. Rock like Aesop, sound like a fable. Kerosene flow, melt microphone cables. Coming from the bottomless pit to the top of the globe. Santiago the Prince, what the fuck is my road? 1 minute till 6 in the morning. You know the area code. 559 into my zone. When in exile, emerged out the blue. A nigga with an attitude. Who knew I would maneuver through the manure and come out clean? Still, I'm just a kid with the world on the screen. I try to tell for the fire I spit. Follow the kid. Understand who never will after the top. Yeah, we give you much more. It go F-A-S-H-A-W-N.
I don't think y'all know what y'all about to get into. Believe it. In case you forgot.
It go F for the fire I spit. Follow the kid. It go F for the fire I spit.
Flashbacks carried you out the house, barely breathing. Tears pouring down like my face was bleeding. Ronnie said don't take the car. She don't look like she'll make it that far, just call the ambulance. But you were fine, ride with us. Knew in my mind the flashing lights will make you give up. But you keep fighting if you can hear us. Got you there in about 30. Was too scared to stay. To this day it still hurt me. Some think it's better this way, cause you're no longer suffering. But I stay wondering, in your last breath, did you speak to me? I know for sure you wasn't done teaching me. I'm having problems sleeping, laying on the rug, still seeking your love. You raised me, saved me, didn't let the ghetto take me, and I'm so thankful. You raised me, saved me, didn't let the ghetto take me, and I'm so thankful. You raised me, saved me, didn't let the ghetto take me, and I'm so thankful. You raised me, saved me, didn't let the ghetto take me. Remember the man you said I act and look like? You were right, when you passed he stepped up fast and we grew tight. Your siblings try to do the same thing, but the visions of pain make me stay away. I miss them so much I don't know what to do, but every time I see them I see you, and it's so painful. My comfort zone's hidden like live in Maryland now, and my wife is one of the red bones you didn't like, but she treated me right, taught me much about life, trust, communication. Y'all so much alike moms, it's illuminating a strange loving situation. Thankful for many things, her hugs feel good. For yours, I give anything. You raised me, saved me, didn't let the ghetto take me, and I'm so thankful. You raised me, saved me, didn't let the ghetto take me, and I'm so thankful. You raised me, saved me, didn't let the ghetto take me, and I'm so thankful. You raised me, saved me, didn't let the ghetto take me. Damn, Mom. Your death brought so much pain into my little world. I can't look at pictures of you when you were sick, so I stare at the photos of you as a little girl, tripping off how much my daughters have your eyes. You know, it's still hard for me to vision you perishing, though they say sometimes we lose the good things in life in order to cherish them. I love recalling moments in the past, like us singing Keep Sweat, Make It Last, and we actually thought we sounded good. How you'd have the comb and I had a brush, and I'm so thankful. We were on Apollo, we crushed our opponents. Mom, I really miss those moments. I guess it's a black thing. I do the same thing now with my sons, but we call it our rap thing. He's doing it now as we speak, acting and looking just like me. I mean you. I refuse to go to your grave and weep. You're not there. Live through me, my seeds, my deeds. Love eternally. Bless you.
All she wants to do is play. All she wants to do is play. Solo quiere jugar. All she wants to do is play. Ay, mami, mueve lo que tienes. Déjame caminar un poco atrás de ti para ver lo que mueves. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? No tienes hombre. Mucho gusto, Sanova Fran el mío, con el poder de hacerte correr como el río. I've lived 2 tongues, let me break down the deal. Have you driven in water like you was a seal? ¿Me entendiste? I keep it greasy, so cool, so humble, make a solid wall rubble. bring the weeds, we could tumble. Make the whole floor rumble, make your legs flap like a bumble. And she was biting the lip. She said she loved to experience my friendship. She likes to play all types of games. It shows up with ice cream and gives me nice dreams, and loves to crumble that mango kush in a sweet lit up as she starts to push her breast up in my face, gives me a taste, then walks away and comes back in some see-through lace. Her curves like canyon rolls got my eyes bugging as I maintain my cool, sipping a little something, moving that body in a hypnotizing motion. Skin so smooth and it smells like stripper lotion. Lights dim, my cut man, it sense burning, teasing me with that ass while the blunt's burning. I think it's time for the toss to get to turning. Yeah, the high's settling, the mood's intimate. Remember when I met her, what she said, that she wasn't trying to jump in bed. A day later could've called her a hypocrite, but instead I was too busy rubbing her head and everything that came with it. I heard stories of many trying to get with it. Now I'm laughing, enjoying myself while I dip and dive in, and she knows I'm the boss of it. The lady bought me a feather gown and called me Thunder Chief, cause I made the rain come down. Yeah, I know, it's kinda funny, but girl looks better than a Playboy bunny. So I take it as a compliment and throw on the gown when I meet her friends.
Right here, yo. Word. I stabbed him in his ribs, disappeared in the crowd. He was talking loud, so I guess he felt proud. I guess he kinda think I'm unpredictable now. But y'all know my steez, I ain't got a wow. If we gon' do it, nigga, we can get down. Matter of fact, nigga, we can do this shit now. Acting all wild and talking all loud, but y'all know my steez. You can be whoever the fuck you wanna be in your raps, but the truth is in your heart, nigga, you can't hide that. To the hustlers in the mess hall, smuggling bread. Between the dope heads in the mess hall, smuggling bread. I can easily wild out and make a nigga bleed, but that's a new charge that a nigga don't need. And it's the fuck you man coming with the fuckery, and fuck the governor, that motherfucker wouldn't pardon me. And if I gotta go up, I'm going up, fuck shot. Crackers yelling in my face, waking up at 4 o'clock. You can believe you jumped the gun, then your ass getting shot. I got youngins that'll murder you over an Xbox. So imagine what we do to you over an X spot. And them niggas that you roll with is pussy that you got. Yo, look at all the drama from which I came, but still hit the target for which I aim. I stabbed him in his ribs, disappeared in the crowd. He was talking loud, so I guess he felt proud. I guess he kinda think I'm unpredictable now. But y'all know my steez, I ain't got a wow. Nigga talking shit, nigga, we can get down. Matter of fact, nigga, we can do this shit now. Talking all loud and acting all wild, but y'all know my steez, I ain't got a wow, 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 wow. Word up, take it to your motherfucking face, nigga. Murray in total effect, you hear me? Listen and hear me right. Fuck the bullshit, we ain't playing with y'all. Strong Island, stand the fuck up. This is the Keith Murray LOD. Kicking your ass, incorporated. Mixtape volume 1. Where we make kicking your motherfucking ass our personal business. So get in tune and get prepared for the motherfucking sounds you about to hear. Motherfuckers. I had you
off me. Now you won't acknowledge existence. Knew you from inside and out, but now it's from a distance. I haven't kissed your lips since the day that you said you would get sense. But not in time before I made your mind flip scripts into a rhyme misfit. What a dime, you were defined at a time when your mind so never find sick shit. So I inclined to visit with my feelings sugar coated. I'm a bitch still, but you probably wouldn't spit real if you noticed. So you fucked me once and took one more hit. Sex on the first date, you gave great head like kings on portals playing nurse aid. And that's the way my brain thirst made. You all fucked up in the top, like the kid in your block displaying the worst fade. So it was on Thursday that I knew you meant the world to me. And you even showed me love, though I had made you older 3. So I was your girl to be, you set money aside for me. Tripped me out to your friends, all of you was tripping. I'd agree excitedly, who am I to leave? But yo, you took it there. After I helped you with all the shit between the hooks and snares. Crooked stairs is all I'm receiving with no letters. Weak bitch, don't forget that I made your flow better. And fiends of average go-getters. But when you see me out with others, it's pissing me off cause you don't seem so jealous. I should've known better when the weed was neighboring. Why can't you see the only love you need is paper thin? About to get your peeps and start raping them real melodic. Cause that love you once had on your mind, I still got it. So why you rapping all wild, high and diabolic? Just remember that Miles Standish is my byproduct.
We never thought that there was a time when there wouldn't have Wu-Tang. We never touched, but I remember when you couldn't keep your hands away. We never thought there was a time when there wouldn't have Wu-Tang. We never touched, but I remember when you kept your hands away.
Twin orgies and 40s, shorties on tour. You ripped the plastic, pulled up and hit me raw. Seasoned my meat, you had to do that just to eat. Crazy smooth, blazing you, made your energy weak. Kept you wet with desire, in your chest I was fire. Hot sex on the highway, lucky driver, in the club or the street. If you seek, you'll find. Told you I was real, your peeps, and it was all in your mind. I gave you power, coward, charm and charisma. You was nobody, bitch, I was the bomb. Ask your sister, came home smelling like sex. Your folks was stressing. What the hell, take the L, every lesson's a blessing. Now you paranoid, thinking my boys is out to get you. Thought it was a joke the first time I hit you. And all the times you hit me, was I ever abused? Gave you what you already had and I felt so used. Chronic fatigue, memory loss, your life's a drag. Roaches in your house, I taught you to let that pass. We analyzed everything, no complaint, no doubt. But once you hooked up with him, the truth came out. I used to take away the pain, now you act all bubbly. Trying to go against the grain like you just don't love me. You ugly, ugly.
Yeah. Sounds good, sounds good.
There's a silver lining, I know.
Static. What up? What up?
There's a silver lining.
Check it out. Yeah. I could look at what I'm going through like hell on earth, or I can see it as the road I gotta take. Keep feeling bad for myself and convinced I'm cursed to see the same problem in a different way. I know it seems like nothing goes right. I fight for every scrap and the little bit I get come with strings attached. Every choice just leads to a worse one. Try to correct it, but forget the first one. So much set me back. My crib got robbed, my girl finally had enough, and I was out of a job. Felt like the world caved in, the whirlwind spinning. Myself out of control wasn't even worth saving, but I saw a brighter side. Looked up in the sky and the silver line shine through the cloud until my eyes left with nothing. It's like a life gone wrong, but all the same wrong. Tell me write this song and it's on. Take a look at my life, you might see that
Nothing came easy, but I can't stop.
Cause when it didn't go right, I couldn't see that.
All I did was everything I could with what I got.
Take a look at my life, you might see that
Nothing came easy, but I can't stop.
Cause when it didn't go right, I couldn't see that.
All I did was everything I could with what I got. Yo, no second thought, what's light without dark? What's pleasure without pain? Would it remain art? Shit in one hand, I'm doing everything that I can, and in the other I'm sacrificing my life for this band. I know damn well there's things I can't tell. I can't see past now, I can't see past hell. It can't be uphill forever, whatever it's gonna take. Whenever it's gonna break, keep my head on straight. Believing in fate, believing that the shit gon' change. Even though I wanna walk away like every day. Shit, I'm sick of being tired and tired of being sick. Keep a grip, it's hard to breathe the higher you get. The fire I spit, ironically, is fueled by the clouds that follow me. And all these damn problems that bother me, honestly, cause I wouldn't have it any other way. Every dog has his day, shit, it'd be okay, come on.
Take a look at my life, you might see that
Nothing came easy, but I can't stop.
Cause when it didn't go right, I couldn't see that.
All I did was everything I could with what I got.
Take a look at my life, you might see that
Nothing came easy, but I can't stop.
Cause when it didn't go right, I couldn't see that.
All I did was everything I could with what I got.
Every day isn't meant to be perfect and to feel pleasure. Something's gotta hurt first. I can take a bad situation and reverse it. It's all how you see it, how you seeing it is worthless. I could dwell on what I can't do, can't fix, can't get through. Just give up or make excuses. What's the use? You only live once, gotta see the brighter side, silver lining.
Like I use music to release my angst. I give thanks to the weight and the haters that gave me strength. Gotta stay strong, keep on and live on and get on. So long as I have breath left in my lungs, I rest when I'm gone. For now I'm training, aiming to get better. Steady mastering my art of turning my pain into pleasure. It rains forever, gotta learn how to swim in the gray clouds and see the silver lining with ink.
Take a look at my life, you might see that
nothing came easy, but I can't stop.
Cause when it didn't go right, I couldn't see that.
All I did was everything I could with what I got.
Take a look at my life, you might see that
nothing came easy, but I can't stop.
Cause when it didn't go right, I couldn't see that.
All I did was everything I could with what I got.
Man, I did it again. I created when I made it with a pad and a pen. I'm getting involved with the solving problems we in. Building a city with community, children and friends. Somebody said that we could get by with some help from all them. They make it bubble like before we get in trouble again. They make it hard when you get out, that's why you back in the pen. Man, it's a system with a plan for every young black man. It's thick and thin. Hard times, hood rhymes, make amends. They making us look like we all beasts without our means to pretend. Like what we've been through ain't a struggle enough. We do it rough and tough up in the city instead of killing off us. We're finna organize, just a simple plan and demand. We put it into action and lend ourselves a hand for the movement, improvement at a glance. So boxing on the block, I'm speaking thoughts. Think about it, my friends. Let's do it, moving, y'all. Do it, let's do it, moving, y'all. I said we gotta keep it moving, y'all. Come on, keep it moving, come on, keep it moving, come on. I said we're moving, y'all. Do it, I said let's do it, moving, y'all. Do it, we gotta keep it moving, y'all. Come on, keep it moving, come on, come on, come on. Doing it like getting up and at 'em. Whether you want some 9 to 5 job shit or simply making magic like writing real live spit. Then when it happened, rapping whatever we needed to hear. Let's make it clear like what you doing it for. You on the grind for your own climb. Well, see, that ain't surviving no more. Cause this year we got a village with chores so we can eat. Teach these kids about their legacy, put shoes on their feet. Walk the path and not get stuck on these streets. We bled for more, so at least let's take note of grandma's family trees. The roots run deep and it tries wide. We can't get broke up by the blocks that box us and outside. They outline us when we laid to rest. Shouldn't be on some pavement or sidewalk, perpetrating the stress, I guess. They making us a project to test how to remove from the planet those who naturally blessed. But I bet we wouldn't let it unless the answer was yes. And I met some freedom fighters that get shit off their chests. And the rest, these motherfuckers need to listen and learn. Get with the vision, cause the world still turns. Let's do it, moving, y'all. Doing it, we're doing it, y'all. Let's do it, moving, y'all. Doing it, I said we gotta keep it moving, y'all. Come on, keep it moving, come on, keep it moving, come on. Let's do it, moving, y'all. So let's do it, moving, y'all. Y'all, get you doing, y'all. Come on, keep it moving, come on, come on, come on.
First let me ask for forgiveness since I might go to hell. But I'm addicted to these girls, the way they fuck, feel, smell. And I've been around the world, in and out of hotels. Now I'm finally off tour, I got some stories to tell. It all started with Mel, my first time doing it. Nervous, couldn't speak, I was scared I might ruin it. Something like a pro, she knew how to take it slow. Knew one false move and I could fuck around and blow. So I went with the flow, it went better than I planned. Finally found something better than coming in my hand. They say you come twice twice the first time. Now I understand I came once inside of her, then I became a man. The next couple times weren't quite that memorable. Tamika, Lydia must have thought I was pitiful. Busting after 2 minutes, I thought that shit was typical. That's probably why they never got back at a nigga. So once upon a time in the land around the way, there lived a couple girls that would never give me play. Used to wear tight shirts and short skirts every day. Every time I try to hit it, they say no way. Until one fine day in this land of LA, one finally slipped up and she let me have my way. She kinda turned me out, changed my life, I must say, cause I haven't stopped chasing these bars to this day. Now, at a city walk, I met this itty bitty bitch about 4'7", 4'11" with the switch. And let's just say, well, I think I got it backwards, but big things do come good in small packages. As for actresses in LA, there's so many. Let me tell you about this freak named Small Town Jenny. After bad auditions, she was guaranteed to hit me, to fuck her on the break when she was waitressing at Denny's. Now there was Umi, female MC. We talked most of the night about the MIC. When it was time for us to get down to B.I.Z., she let me stick it straight in her asshole lyrically. I love chicks on E that you meet out at these raves. They use it as an excuse for them to misbehave. I met Rachel in the corner, all emotional and mushy. Put my dick on her tongue, glow stick in her pussy. And once upon a time in the land around the way, there lived a couple girls that would never give me play. Used to wear tight shirts and short skirts every day. Every time I try to hit it, they say no way. Until one fine day in this land of LA, one finally slipped up and she let me have my way. She kinda turned me out, changed my life, I must say, cause I haven't stopped chasing these bars to this day. Alright, I had a dancer named Candy, stripper chick. Said she only had to dance to get her family out of fix. Fine as hell, but the bitch made me sick, cause after dating 2 months, she would still make me tip. I know a firme mexicana by the name of Ileana. She likes me Dickies and a white beater, not pajamas. Caught her with another dude, popping up by a casa, but I keep her on the team just to represent La Raza. Now, lesbian Liz hasn't called a lot lately. She loved to lick the legends, but she also loved the ladies. I had to let her go before she led me to crazy. She was lousy in the sack, laid back and hella lazy. A couple weeks back, it was all about Loretta, straight up hood rat. Always begging me for cheddar, had to keep her hair did, and her manicure was rare. But now I'm fucking the Korean broad that used to do her nails. And once upon a time in the land around the way, there lived a couple girls that would never give me play. Used to wear tight shirts and short skirts every day. Every time I try to hit it, they say no way. Until one fine day in this land of LA, one finally slipped up and she let me have my way. She kinda turned me out, changed my life, I must say, cause I haven't stopped chasing these bars to this day.
Settling for this bizarre ride, coming from the far side. Insanity, I passed on humanity, a little lesson. You repressing the real reason that you window dressing. Skills are not in your possession. When the mic is in your grip, it gets blessed rarely. How many rappers spit flows? Well, plenty. At 12:20, the storm hit with what is Bond shit. Best take your MPC and fucking pawn it. Raw shit that leave you with a bloody nose. Hustle for the bad back. You bring your shoddy flows, are calling me a sad sack. I'm getting people up like chiropractors on bad backs. Go hire a copy of Mad Max to crush it, my syntax. Bring your ears back and run with us. Taking pot shots with a blunderbuss. $100 says that you can't rock like this, walk like this, talk like this, or drop shit like this, flow like this. You know got the gist. I bring a Hitchcock, not Christie, with a twist so deceiving that you cease breathing. Baby, suck up the wonder by but still teething. Please don't twist my meaning. I'm incredibly decent. I'll never say bitch, except that a sellout that could cause a nervous twitch. Even then the gender switches. Apprentices are plentiful, are barely even worth mentioning on pedestal. Tell the fool the circus in town. We're the perfect clown. They're rehearsing now. Got a perspex crown for the jester king and a token crowd of pedestrians. Tell the fool the circus in town. We're the perfect clown. They're rehearsing now. Got a perspex crown for the jester king and a token crowd of pedestrians. Tell the fool the circus in town. We're the perfect clown. They're rehearsing now. Got a perspex crown for the jester king and a token jugular. Me, you, like Marley Gras, Scully, but wannabes trying to hit, I'm a monami. Your honor, please, I'm on wings of harmonies above a painted landscape, an invisible cape, like Miyazaki's no face. Sneaking into your place and leaving no trace, just your palm gold lace. In a state like you ingest a sick toxin, making your head snap back like second best at kickboxing. Spin doctor, switch off your monitors if you can follow it. What? You never heard of me, Apologate, Apocalypse, mighty fun. Pocket of mighty songs, they get you on lockdown. Repressing the pop sound, stock standard, rock ballads, the flock demanding. And I get hammered, still planning, nigga, I'm standing. Mi gente sabe que sí, soy un buen vago. Sin embargo, yo sigo verso y trago. Sabe loco, check mi vocal. Infected local youth with enthusiasm. It's similar to heads at Unicasm. But imagine that we get to this beat, keep it making your proof is. Soul impressionists in both possession and 9/10 the law. You see, he feel like Ivan when he coming and kicking your front door. What's more, we cross the shop floor if needs be. Lock jaws, clock top scores, press to see. Tell the full circus in town and hear the perfect clown. They're rehearsing now. Got a first place crown for the Majestic King and a token crowd of pedestrians. Tell the full circus in town, hear the perfect clown. They're rehearsing now. Got a first place crown for the Majestic King and a token crowd of pedestrians. Tell the full circus in town, hear the perfect clown. They're rehearsing now. Got a first place crown for the Majestic King and a token crowd of pedestrians. Tell the full circus in town, hear the perfect clown. They're rehearsing now. Got a first place crown for the Majestic King and a token crowd of pedestrians.
Take them back a little bit before they forget this. I take any style, many styles, make a hit shit. Y'all niggas forget quick, motherfuckers get quick. In the for the riches, in the for the distance. Old school, still smooth, will I reminisce? And B-Rock on the drop snares and the kickstand. And can I kick it? I see with the wristband, man, all on this end. Can we get rich shit? Everyday big chips, everyday Christmas. Show me where the rich is, show me where the bitch is. Take me to the bar, I'm a star, where the Chris at? Being broke, nigga, no, I ain't gon' miss that. Niggas bout to panic, that make television